You can have the perfect wig, flawless contour, and a designer outfit, and still get clocked in 2 seconds flat. Because passing was never really about your clothes. It's about something almost nobody talks about. Here's the truth. Makeup and clothes get you noticed. They don't get you accepted. Real passing happens in your body before it ever happens in your outfit, in the 2 seconds before anyone even registers what you're wearing. And this matters because getting it wrong doesn't just cost you confidence, it can cost you safety. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'm giving you the one shift that trans women and cross-dressers who pass effortlessly all have in common. It's not what you think. Let's start with the one everyone obsesses over, voice. But here's the twist. It's not about pitch. You can raise your pitch all day and still get read, because the brain isn't listening for how high your voice is. It's listening for resonance, where the sound vibrates in your throat and mouth. That's the real skill, and it's trainable. Now think about the last time you saw someone and just knew something was off before they even opened their mouth. That's not magic, that's movement. The way you sit down, the way you cross your legs, how wide your steps are, where your elbows sit when you're not thinking about it. These are patterns your body has rehearsed for years, and strangers read patterns faster than they read faces. Here's the part almost nobody mentions. Micro-expressions. How you tilt your head when you're listening, how your eyebrows move when you're surprised, how you laugh. These happen in a fraction of a second, completely on autopilot, and autopilot is exactly what needs retraining. So here's a question worth sitting with. If your voice is perfect and your movement is perfect, what's actually left? The answer isn't another tutorial. It's not a technique you rehearse in the mirror for hours. It's something you already carry, something you might have spent years being told to shrink. Here it is. It's ease. Not fake it till you make it confidence, actual physical ease in your own skin. Because when you're anxious about being clocked, your body tenses in specific, recognizable ways. Shoulders creep up, movements shrink, eyes dart, and people read that tension 1,000 times faster than they read your bone structure. The people who pass effortlessly aren't flawless, they've just stopped performing and started existing. Comfort reads as authenticity, and authenticity is what people actually see. So next time you're getting ready, remember, that wig, that contour, that outfit, never the finish line. It's the ease underneath it that finishes the look. If this shifted something for you, hit subscribe, because this channel is where we talk about this stuff for real, no fluff. Drop a comment and tell me which part hit you the most. And next time, I'm breaking down the exact voice exercises that changed everything for me, the ones nobody puts in a tutorial.